Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use automatic subtitle in CapCut. So you want to generate captions or subtitles for your video in CapCut. Let me show you. Open CapCut and create a new project with the video. So now select video and just click on caption right here. And now you're going to generate from. So just select the video and you're going to see the spoken language. So you can set the language that was spoken in the video, which is English in my case. Now you can pick the template that you want the subtitle to display in. So I'm going to pick this one. And you can also add about your advanced features. You can select the translated language, the language you want to translate the subtitle to. So I'm going to leave it as none, so it's going to be in English. And now click on Generate. So the process will take a few seconds and sometimes it might take up to minutes. Once the process is complete, you're now going to see the subtitle under your video. As you can see, it has generated right now. So let me make it bigger, so let's make it smaller. Once you adjust one of them, it's going to cover everything. So if you make changes to anyone, it's going to make it for everything. Very easy. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.